Are you struggling with caked-in carpet stains, unaesthetic limescale patches, and greasy ovens? Then you're in the right place. Is it possible for this product to clean this dried-up hot chocolate stain from my carpet in less than 3 minutes? Then keep watching to find out. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Laju and I share videos on lifestyle and career tips for health workers moving and living in the UK. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. Please sit back, relax and enjoy today's video and check out my other videos. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you guys. Thank you so much for sticking with me on this YouTube journey. Now today I'll be sharing with you my top 5 household products to have in the UK. My family and I have been in the UK for almost 4 years now, and it has been a journey of learning and unlearning certain things, and one of those things has been household products. It will amaze you, but certain house products that we are used to back in Nigeria are not necessarily the essential ones that you will use when you live in the UK. So today I'll share with you my top 5 household products that you should have in your house. The past 1 year, especially during the pandemic, I sat down and I reviewed some of the household products that I really cannot do without, and I'll be sharing those with you today. The last on my list as number 5, it's not the least favorite product. It's not like I don't like it, but you can't really see what it does. You just have to believe that it's working. I believe most of us have a washing machine in our homes, and if you have a washing machine, who washes the washing machine? You know, at some point, the washing machine will get tired. It also needs to be cleaned. So this product is a must-have for your washing machines. Now, it's more like you just believe that it's working, and, you know, just to prolong the life of your washing machine, I believe that you should get this product, the Calgon products. So I have them in different categories. I have like the tablets, so I put them in the wash. Every time I'm running a wash cycle, I make sure I put this or this, either one, into the washing machine so that, you know, it goes in there and it claims that it cleans limescale residue odors, because these things can accumulate after a while, after a long time of using your washing machine, and you don't want your washing machine to start bringing out this funny smell and stuff. So yeah, this is definitely one I would recommend, Calgon, or you can use the tablets. Yeah, these are the tablets. So now number 4 on my list, I've only used this product once, but I have to give it a review. Like, it was great. Like, I used it and I couldn't believe it myself. Now, most of us have a kitchen. I believe everybody has a kitchen, and in your kitchen you are very likely to have an oven. So yeah, this is a product that you should have. Oven Pride deep cleaner. Like, guys, this product does like wonders. Now, I really wish I could show you how this product worked, but unfortunately, after cleaning my oven and recording the video, somewhere along the line, I don't know where the video is, but if you want a proper deep clean, the shine and all, I assure you this is the product to get. A friend of mine recommended it, and I have to say thank you, because this product worked amazingly well. So yes, I'm due for another deep clean in February. Yeah, I want to do it like every 2-3 months. So yeah, I'll be doing one video for this. So hopefully I'll share that one, but you should really check out this product if you are not proud of your oven, and you thank me later. My next product, which is number 3 on my list, is one I've reviewed on my channel in the past. I'll be putting the link up so you can watch it. Now, this product, you have to watch it to really see what it does. It is the Astonish Mold and Mildew Blaster. Like, it does what it says. It blasts away any molds that you have in your house. If you're struggling with mold and stuff in your house, this is a product that you should be using, and not just once in a while. You should use it regularly so that it gets rid of the mold, because the longer you leave it, the more difficult it gets to remove the mold, to blast the mold. So this product is one that I would recommend, especially during this winter season when things are getting cold and you're not opening your windows as often. So, you know, there's a lot of humidity, and this can cause molds all around the house, especially in the bathroom. And yeah, basically get yourself a good dehumidifier too, but this one definitely does the work. Get yourself one of these and you thank me later. Yeah, thank me in the comment section. My second household product would have to be the limescale removal, but not just any limescale removal. This one called Viacal. Viacal is number 1 against limescale, and I totally agree with them. In our current house and previous houses, we always have this glass, you know, shower door, and with time, limescale begins to build up. Initially, I had no idea what I was dealing with. I would try, you know, bleach and all sorts on it, but it wouldn't go. I even went on YouTube and I saw someone recommending toothpaste, and I tried all those things. But 3 years down the line, I found this product, and it has been a game changer for my shower doors. Now, I don't worry too much. I just know that after every shower, I can easily put this and wipe away the lime scale. Even for your zincs, I'll put a short clip so you can see exactly how this works. Now, many of us think, oh, when you wash the toilets, the bathroom, you just use the bleach and you get it done. Yes, the bleach, you know, it does the whole cleaning and all, and they all smell. But if you really want it to sparkle and shine, then this is the product for you. This is my shower door. If you look closely, you'll see some lime scale accumulation on it. So I'll just spray some of the product all around it. I'll then wipe it, leave it for a few minutes before rinsing it off, and the lime scale will be all gone. Voila! As you can see, my shower door is shining and sparkling clean. So the lime scale is gone. Also, I'll do the same for my tap. If you look closely at my tap, you'll see some lime scale all around the tap. So I would also spray the vehicle on the tap. I'll wipe it, leave it for a few minutes before I rinse it off, and I would have my tap looking clean and shiny. So onto my top product. Number 1 on my list is Dr. Beckman Carpet Stain Remover. I hope you can see this. Now, this household product is a lifesaver, or rather a house saver. Before getting this product, I used to be so agitated about the state of my rug, my carpets, especially as a mom, as a toddler mom. And you can't really do much. You can't tie them down. Toddlers will be toddlers. Kids will be kids. So, you know, we'll have stains on the carpet and I'll be so worried. I'll be scrubbing and scrubbing away. But since I found this product, it's really saved me time, energy, stress, and you know, I don't have to think about it. Like, I'm so carefree when it comes to my rug now because I know I have a go-to product and it really does the work well. So this is my number 1 household product. Currently, our house is mostly rugged and I really don't know what I'll do without this product. So I asked at the beginning of the video if this product was able to get rid of this stain. Now, you should know that this stain had been in my rug for 2 days. My toddler has spilled her hot chocolate and I didn't know. She had covered it up with some things and I just saw it 2 days after. So I was a bit worried I wouldn't be able to get it out, but I was surprised because I kept on scrubbing and then I used the edge of the brush also, as you can see, and I was able to get rid of every single stain. Occasionally, I just use this carpet remover to just, you know, clean around my rug just to make sure that you get rid of those stains that you don't even know are present. I should also mention, none of this is a paid ad, none of this is sponsored. This is just me reviewing some of my favorite household products and sharing them with you. Also, let me know in the comment section what household products that you love, the ones that you can't do without, and the ones that you are likely to recommend to other people. That's it, guys. Those are my top 5 household products I believe you should have in your house if you're living in the UK. I'll review more as time goes by, but for now, these products are like my go-to products. Like, I use them every now and then and I really love them. So let me know in the comment section, what products do you love? Do you use often? Would you love to recommend to other people? So like I said, this is not a paid or a sponsored video. This is just me sharing the things that I love from me to you. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like my video and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Till next time, bye.